Have you ever stumbled upon those viral AI expanded images of celebrities, famous paintings, or memes that made you look twice? But guess what? Creating these images is a piece of cake. This process of extending images beyond its original borders is called AI expand, or AI outpainting, and Instagrammers are whipping up some seriously cool visuals for their page without needing to have any AI skills. So let's dive into how you can also create those photos in a snap. Go to lightxeditor.com, hover on the AI Editor tab, and click on AI Expand. Upload your photo via device. Here on the left side, you can see Freeform is selected by default. Use Freeform to manually specify which edges of the photo you want to extend. We will go all sides. Hit on Generate. And look how realistically your image has been expanded. You can also choose the preset sizes given on the Freeform dropdown to optimize the image for any social media platforms. But wait, why are the results realistic and not funny? It's because Instagrammers use text prompts to generate funny compositions. Now just simply download from here and share.